हेलो बच्चों, let's read the question. Which of the following pairs have identical values of E by M? And the options are: option A proton and a neutron; option B, a proton and deuterium; option C, deuterium and an alpha particle; and option D, an electron and gamma rays. So for this question, we have to find from the given four options which two particles of a single option have identical values of charge by mass ratio. इस क्वेश्चन के लिए हमारा की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा charge by mass ratio. Let's find E by M ratio for each of the following options. Let's start with option A. In option A, we have a proton and a neutron. हमारे पास क्या है? एक प्रोटॉन है और एक न्यूट्रॉन है. प्रोटॉन के लिए E by M रेशियो होगा प्रोटॉन का चार्ज कितना है 1 फराडे and mass let's consider m. And for neutron, E by M ratio will be, for neutron, charge is 0 because neutron is a neutral molecule, neutral particle. So for neutron, charge, it has no charge. Let's mass consider be m. Though proton and neutron have slightly different masses, but we can consider them as equal. But it doesn't matter because E by M ratio eventually comes out to be 0. Now moving to the second option. We have a proton, again we have proton and a deuterium. Deuterium क्या होता है? Deuterium is a isotope of hydrogen 2H. So it is a proton and a neutron. प्रोटॉन के लिए ऑलरेडी हम E by M रेशियो निकाल चुके हैं which comes out to be 1 by m. And for deuterium, it will be, deuterium has a proton and as well as a neutron. तो दोनों का मास अगर हम m consider करेंगे तो E by M comes out to be approximately 1 by 2m. And both are not equal, so option B as well as option A will not be our answer. Now moving to the third option. Option C में हमारे पास क्या है? हमारे पास है ड्यूटेरियम और हमारे पास है अल्फा पार्टिकल. Alpha particle is simply a helium nucleus carrying 2 units of positive charge. ड्यूटेरियम के लिए ऑलरेडी हम E by M का रेशियो निकाल चुके हैं which comes out to be 1 by 2m. For alpha particle, E by M comes out to be, charge है 2 फराड है and mass is 4m, so it will be 1 by 2m, which is similar to that of deuterium. So option C will be the correct option. Deuterium and alpha particle is same और identical E by M ratio. फिर भी हम ऑप्शन डी देख लेते हैं. In option D we have electron and we have a gamma rays. Gamma rays are chargeless, massless, are deeply penetrating rays. They are highly penetrating and they are chargeless as well as massless. Means E equals to 0, M equals to 0. दोनों अगर 0 हो जाएगा तो E by M exist ही नहीं करेगा. So for gamma rays, E by M does not exist. For electron, E by M will be, charge is 1 farad, mass of electron is 1 by 1837 times that of mass of proton. So it will be around 1837 by m. And of course E by m of electron and gamma rays doesn't seem to be equal, so C will be our correct option. Hence for this question C is the answer. ठीक है? So deuterium and alpha particle have same or identical E by m ratio. Hope you all understood it well. Best of luck.